Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Delco T200 8-track player. This comes out of a 67 Chevy Caprice, and it's from Bryce in Remington, Indiana. And Bryce is actually doing the full system conversion, but I expressed concern about the T200 model because they're getting really long in the tooth, and some of them can't be repaired, so I asked him to send me this first for evaluation before we proceeded with the rest of the full system conversion. And so I'm here to demonstrate that the 8-track player is fully functional now. And so here we go. I'm going to turn my test receiver down, otherwise it'll kick out on overload when I first pop the statement.
Don't you know it?
Okay, that takes care of that. On an 8-track conversion, these controls no longer work because that's all done at the radio now. The 8-track is just an aux source for the radio basically, and takes advantage of the converted radio's superior new amplifiers instead of the old scratchy sounding 8-track amplifiers. So that takes care of that. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print a work order, that'll answer most, if not all, of your questions. That way, when you need to call me, it's only just a couple of minutes instead of 15-20 minutes on the phone that I'm off the bench and can't get anything done. So please visit my website and take a look at my work order before calling me with questions, and that'll be great. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Bryce, for your business all the way from Remington, Indiana, and we'll see you guys next time.